In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make this kind of really cool transition effect inside Canva, and this will keep your presentation to the next level always. So let's start the video. First, create a blank document. Change the background color to a pink color. Go to Elements, search for strawberry. Use this image. Duplicate it. Add a title text. Go to Position, Layers, and put the text underneath this strawberry. Add subheading. Change the color to white. Put it just like here. Now again go to Elements, search for ice cream cone. I'm choosing this image. Now remove the background, flip it, make it larger. That's it. Now we're going to duplicate this page. Now come to the previous page. Now make it a little smaller. Press Alt from your keyboard to keep it on the same position but scale it, and then drag like this. Select all the strawberries. To select all, just press Shift from your keyboard and select like this. Then press Alt and small it like this and move it just underneath the ice cream. Okay. Now move the text a little, like make it a small, and bring this right here. Make it a little bit. That's it. Now we're going to just come here between these two pages, and you can see this add transition. Click on this. Now just click on match and move, and then change the duration to 2.5 seconds or more. That's it. Now if we just see the presentation, so this way you can make this kind of match and move transition in Canva, and this will make your presentation 10 times better. So thanks for watching. For more cool tips and tricks, follow my page and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.